Once again.
This is my client's hair. I'm not gonna show her face right now until when the style bad and done. So I'm gonna do some crochet fox locks on her hair. And this is the hair. I got it from AliExpress, and I'll leave the seller's name in the description. All right, they are 14 I think 14 to 18 inches. She hates long hair. We're gonna do this fast. So they're like this, guys. Yeah. I have some braids. I'm gonna cut them in small pieces, and then I'm gonna braid her hair so it gives me a better hold. All right. I'm gonna do her hair in single braids first. I'm gonna show you how I do it, and then I'm gonna do some more, and then I'll come back. So guys, this is it, and you wanna push it through, close it, and then you're gonna push her hair through. And you want to take the braid or the fox locks, and you want to pull it through as well. You want to weave it through or crochet it through. just like that, guys, and you want to hide it. And guys, this is it. Now I'm gonna finish braid the rest of them, and then I'll come back later. And so guys, look at this. This is the final result, guys. Wow, wow. And I use 2 colors, and you can see the root. There it is, guys, and she's gonna wear it to the side. And guys, this is the final result again. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. One love, and be blessed. Easy as 1, 2, 3.